Okay, guys. I guess y'all can see me better. That's what happened when chocolate people try to do a video with the natural lighting. Just expecting too much from the iPhone camera to adjust. Supposed to be doing night stuff, but not for black people, apparently. But anyway, y'all, how y'all doing today? If this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. I appreciate and agape love all of you guys. If you have not subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. Yes, it is. It's free. I wake up before day in the morning when I'm in the motherland. Sometimes I do that when I'm at home in Galveston, but mostly I don't. I may stay up all night though. But here I actually go to bed at a decent hour and get some good rest. I guess my body clock is attuned to the time zone here. Maybe send our DNA after all, y'all. I hope wherever y'all are, y'all will have a wonderful day today. As y'all hear me say before, happiness comes from within. So it's up to you, y'all. It's up to you. There is no perfect place, even though the Gambia is pretty close for me. When I'm talking, y'all, I'm always talking from my experience because I'm the Creole Griot Tish, y'all. I'm always just telling my story. I know it may not be something that some people out there tuning in would like, but then there's so many other channels out there that can suit them better. But me, I'm a griotist. I tell stories from my perspective, mostly because of the experience that happened in my lifetime. Sometimes it's stories passed down to me from my relatives that I thought was funny. But in general, it's just from my perspective, even if it's about something that's currently happening, even though I'm never political. And I definitely is not anti my country, which I love. Definitely love Texas, and I most assuredly love Galveston. I'm a BOI. I wouldn't change it for the world. And that means born on the island, y'all. Yeah, the island of Galveston, Texas, USA. I'm not like anybody else. And neither are you guys either. We're all unique people. Sometimes we have challenges, but I see them as opportunities for growth. You learn something when you work through them, y'all. You just do. Because whenever you expect some things, lots of times it's never what you expect. Because people like to package things up in pretty words that they don't really mean. It's like, they just don't really mean it, y'all. And that's okay. Because people are just people. And people are the same everywhere, no matter what. And we have to remember that. Can't judge a book always by the cover. And when you treat people like you want to be treated, I guarantee you, life is good. If you treat people good, it is. I still have a smile on my face from the guy in the store calling me auntie and sharing some peanut candy with me. Because I just had told him all excited, Oh, I'm so glad y'all have this candy. Because every time I go in the stores, I look for that candy, and once in a while they have it. Sometimes the little ladies with the babies on their back have that same candy. But it's hard to find, y'all, because it's homemade. Reminds me of the one I used to make in Texas. Yes, the same Galveston. When I was growing up, my mama taught me how to make it. And then after that, I was the person that made the candy in the house, because she took forever to make anything, including candy. And I think she made her own self tired from cooking that candy all day. Just keep adding more water, more milk, more milk. It's be praline before she get done. But me, I just make regular old peanut candy, pecan candy. Sometimes it be like praline, but mostly it wasn't. Sometimes it just remind you of syrup, like a thick syrup, like the candy that they sell here that they call cake. They call it cake here, they call it cake in the Caribbean. Just interesting how we call the same thing by a different name. The world is a small world, y'all. Shout out to my subscribers that I saw at King Bakery yesterday. It was a beautiful family, y'all. They just got here. So it was nice knowing that they've been supportive and watching me from the beginning. And that's nice to know. It's cool to be recognized by people. Like I said, monetization is not everything. I do this because I love sharing my stories with y'all that want to listen, that is. Because most of y'all grown. Y'all do what y'all want. So I appreciate when y'all tune in and actually enjoy my stories, that it touched your heart in some type way. It's nice to know. It is. Y'all know I'm motivated by my ancestors, so when I come out here, I don't even know what I'm going to talk about. When I was leaving my room, I thought out loud, what am I going to talk about? But I come out here every morning to see the sunrise and to listen to the birds singing. But who knows? When I'm editing is when I see. And now when I actually hear the complete story. And I'm telling you, y'all, being a messenger is an interesting phenomenon. I did some sketching this morning of my roundhouse and a round security house, because I feel like maybe the person that's been in a security house for their set time will have the similar stuff that's in my roundhouse. Mine might just be a tiny bit bigger, but still tiny house. I hate to see such big discrepancies with the boys' quarters in the main house. It's just heartbreaking, y'all. It's like we have everything in the big house, and the one on the outside seems to have nothing, none of those things. Like a shed almost. I'm impressed with some of them that they say is the servants' area. It looked like rental property in the back, But I guess things change slowly, and it starts with us. If you want to be part of the change that you want to see in the world, you can support me through PayPal, Patreon, Cash App. When you're with Patreon, you become part of the Habasia family. And when you come to the Gambia, You'll be welcome to go out to the land with one of us, of course, that's involved in the process. This is a building site right now anyway, y'all. Not safe to go out there without people. And even after then, it wouldn't be safe to go there without people, because we got people looking at the land, making sure nobody come and try to encroach upon it. So you got to be with me or my people before you go to my land. You go out there, y'all, and you see the beginning of a dream. A food forest out there, y'all. Food forest. Have lots of trees. Be a big invitation to the monkeys. And if it have a chimpanzee or two, that'd be nice too, y'all. With banana trees everywhere. That's big for them. And little banana trees for me. But I've been told that monkeys and chimpanzees would take your stuff. But guess what, guys? It's their stuff. It'll be their forest. If I have to go and buy some more bananas from somebody else, that's okay. That'd be part of cooperative economics. But I definitely will have priceless experience with the animals that'll be in the forest there. I'll take lots of beautiful photos and share with the world what I see. And it'll be an invitation to others to come see, come share. But that's after the 2 years is up. Before then, Abbasia family only. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to turn this camera around and see if we can see anything else, you know, because seeming like the sky's trying to change colors a little bit. I know y'all been hearing the birds behind me. I'll try in a little bit to turn these lights out again and see if y'all can see me. Okay, guys, I'm not pointing at me, so it doesn't matter. But y'all can see the sky getting warmed up for the sun. Let's see what I can do. Well, there's not many people out today. It's a weekend. So I can see what we can see. With me sticking my arm outside the fence. Seems like no matter which side I'm going on, the birds want to. Well, guys, I had to do a little housekeeping with my phone. Hopefully I'm back on track now. Still gonna wrap it up soon though. He's gonna want to be able to upload it to the internet before Christmas, y'all. Still before sunrise. Okay, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed my little experience with the recordings. I want to tell y'all my baobab necklace, earrings, y'all. My Wonder Woman bracelet, that's baobab too. And my, think leopard or whatever animal, other bracelet. It's all silver, y'all. Bought in the Gambia. This one came from the silversmith. He actually makes them himself, and the other one was from a regular jewelry store, y'all. But I was just lucky to find the match. The earrings was the match from the jeweler that also made this bracelet. And then this one's from jewelry store by Motu. Jewelry store by Motu. So anyway, y'all, no, I'm not reimbursed by anybody for mentioning where I got my stuff from. I'm just excited to wear it today, that's all. But anyway, until next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people, twin power, and I'm out, y'all. Bye.